Today we are going to learn how we can download and install VMware Workstation. So just click on your favorite browser. I am going to use Google Chrome. After loading the web page, just type the search option VMware Workstation, and you will see the many links will be appear on your searching. So you can see here the first link. Just click on here. Actually, this is the official website of VMware Workstation, and after loading this website you can see here the workspace option. So this is the option where we can click and we can download the software that we are going to use in all this practical session on our this course. So just click on this website and then we can download the VMware Workstation for free. So just click here Workspace, and Workstation Pro. Now just scroll this website just a little bit, and you can see here the two options, that is trial and buy. So click on trial and it opened the new link, and here we can download our VMware Workstation Pro. So just scroll it and you can see the two options, Windows and Linux. So just click on the download now Windows, and it will start downloading the setup file on your PC, and it will take some time, so you have to patience. And after downloading, it will download it on your download option, download folder actually. So let's see. You can see here the downloaded. Just double click on this and it will open the setup installer on your PC. Actually it's a very big setup, so it will take some time, so you have to take some patience and you have to ready for long preparation for the VMware Workstation. After this setup file, you can see here the preparing to install. This wizard is open. Now click on the accept terms and condition and click on next. It will just click on next. The setup file, you can see here the your VMware Workstation is installed on your PC. Thank you.